Hello, good morning. Today I'm going to make pav bhaji. So for making pav bhaji, I have the mashed potatoes. I have grated the cabbage, cauliflower, and also grated the bell pepper. And I also have make some tomatoes because the tomato is the main ingredients of this pav bhaji. In the meantime, I have a little bit of garlic. We need only garlic, no ginger. I'm frying some onion. Once the onion is almost translucent, I'm going to put the garlic paste and let it fry for a couple of minutes till the raw smell of the garlic goes away. As it is done, I'm going to put the tomato puree. I'm going to fry this thing till the oil oozes out. I have added a little bit more of tomato puree because it was getting very less. So I added a little bit tomato puree. At this point I am going to add some Pav Bhaji masala. Um, and going to fry for a while. Till the mixture is well set. At this point I am going to add some salt, 1 teaspoon of salt, and going to fry for a while. When it's being fried, the very first thing I will be putting is the cabbage, the grated cabbage. And the cauliflower. Make sure you mix it well. You should see everything. The white should not be remaining. It should be looking red. At this point, I am going to add the grated bell pepper, and lastly the potatoes.
No.
All the ingredients are there, so I'm going to mix it well. Make sure you mix it well because we have not boiled anything. Only boiled item was the potatoes, which was boiled and mashed. Rest of the vegetables I will prefer to cook in the high heat or in the medium heat with some water covered for at least 20 minutes. After 20 minutes we are going to look and then we are going to mash the vegetables. So at this point I am going to add some water. Make sure you mix it well. You can see the water bubbling. You can reduce the heat and get it covered and cook it for 20 minutes. We have already put the salt and the spices. So what happens is that all the vegetables will be taking the spices and the salt so that it would be tastier. So now we are going to cover it and cook it for 15 to 20 minutes. Cover and cook. We are going to wait 20 minutes, and from there at this point I am going to mash the vegetables. Make sure you mash the vegetables very well. At this point also I am going to add a little bit of little bit of butter. I will also add a little bit of water. I will mix it well. And I will add some frozen peas. I will mix it well and let it cook. While it is being cooked, as I have added water, I am going to cover it a little bit again, and then we'll take it out. I will remove the cover, and the very first thing I am going to do is that I am going to make sure it is mixed well. You can see the green peas is all well cooked now. I will let it cook for a couple of more minutes uncovered now before I garnish it with coriander leaves. So the bhaji is ready. You can eat with the pav. So this is our pav, the bhaji. The pav bhaji is ready. What you have to do is that I will garnish it with some cilantro leaves later. What you can do, you can eat it with the pav. Pav means the Indian bread, the round bread. And when you eat, you can top it with say a little bit of fresh onion, some cilantro, and a wedge of lemon, and a little bit of butter. So, or else you can eat it like that only. It's good also. So this is our pav bhaji made and done, and this is how it looks like. You can see that. I'm going to turn off the heat, and it is done.